Alright, hello everyone, my name is Victor Chang, and today we're going to be talking about how to set up the EFST repository in your local dev environment. And my mentor was Dr. Sajadi, and he was a product owner as well. So let's get started. First things first, we pretty much are going to want to set up our MQL5 folder in order to do the git clone. Then we're going to perform the git clone, and finally we'll make sure that all the files are in their proper location. But before we go forward, you're going to want to make sure you have source tree, MetaTrader 5, and Meta Editor installed. Once you have those applications set up and going, you can move forward with this tutorial. So moving forward, we're going to want to go ahead and go to our dev environment. And before you get started doing any of the git cloning, you're going to want to travel to your user profile, then your app data folder, roaming, meta quotes, terminal, and you'll find a folder with a lot of characters similar to this one, and it should have an MQL5 folder inside of it. Very important that you look for that. So what you're going to want to do is create another folder similar to this one. I called it another one, and this is in my desktop folder or directory. And you're going to grab everything inside your terminal folder and the MetaQuotes folder and drag it to your backup folder. And once you have an empty folder like this one, you'll be ready to do the git clone. So in order to do the git clone, you're going to travel over to the Bitbucket repository and make sure you switch over to the EFST Sprint 12 branch. Once you've done so, you can go ahead and hit git clone and copy this repository address right over here. You want to open up source tree, and you'll probably have an empty menu. Then you can travel to the clone tab and paste that directory that you copied right over here. Now we'll pick our destination, which is our local environment. For me, it's already set up, but I'll show you guys how to access that one more time. This PC, users, feature, app data, roaming, meta quotes, terminal, and this one. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and hit git clone. If you're interested in seeing the output in progress, you can hit this button and just wait a couple of minutes and you'll have your directory all set up, and then we'll make sure that everything is in its proper location. So once that's 100% completed, go ahead and close that out. Okay. So you always want to do a git fetch. Make sure you have all of your remotes set up. You can go ahead and check out the EFST Sprint branch. Make sure you hit OK. Once you've checked out the branch, you're able to make the change that you want, and let's go ahead and make sure that everything is in its proper location. So we'll head over to MQL5, experts, EFST, and we'll find our expert advisor right over there. We can go ahead and check for the scripts, effort, EFST, and you'll find my account reports. check include experts signal. You'll find the triple signal for the expert advisor, and then profiles, templates, or profiles tester. You'll find our test inputs. And there you go. You're all set up to start developing off of the EFST Sprint 12. I would recommend creating a branch, and should be all good to go. So thank you guys very much. That pretty much covers every single one of those bullets. If you have any questions, please contact me at this email, or product owner and mentor Dr. Sajadi at this email. Thank you so much.